Hello everyone, this is our next video of ipsec configuration series. In the previous video, we did the verifications on the Palo Alto firewall side, and this video we will perform the verifications on the Fortinet firewall side. So let's begin with the video. So I have already logged in my Fortinet firewall. So to perform the verifications, I will go to the VPN and the ipsec tunnels. So we can see this tunnel with PA. This is the name I have already provided, and port 2 is the WAN interface which is connected to the ISP. And now its status is up. So it is showing that the currently tunnel is up. And now we have the other things we can perform the verifications. For that we can go to the logs and report. So for the forward traffic, it will show the what are the traffic in and out from the Fortinet firewalls. So in our case, we created two policies, and which is showing allowed on this is the connections with 30.10 and 40.10 on the both side, which we configured it. So there is another place also to perform to check the further logs. For that, I will go to the events. This is the events. So in the events, it will show the all system related events. If there is a drop down menu on the top of that, this is the drop down menu. So here we have to select the VPN events. So because we are interested to VPN events only. So now I am in the VPNs events. So here we will see the what are the exactly going on the VPN packets and how SA has been created, what are the SA negotiations is running. So if I click this log tunnel states, what the information we have the local IP, means local Fortinet IP, Fortinet WAN IP, I would say. And now what we have, this is the cookies. So every firewall vendor, they use different type of nomenclature in the case of VPN. So this is the cookie, and local port is the 500. So 500 is the ISACAM port, which I told you in the theory sessions. Outgoing port is the port 2. Remote port is the remote IP. This is the remote IP, means the Palo Alto firewall IP, and the remote port. So this is also a ISACAM. So if I go to the next packet, so we will see the things. So these are the IPsec. If I click the negotiations, so now they will see the other thing, outbound and the events log ID. So let's say if you are in the situation where you want to troubleshoot, so you can check for the status of the tunnels on the Fortinet firewall. You could go to the logs and report and go to the events, and then here we have the VPN events. In the VPN events you can see the logs, what is actually going on with the VPN connections. So in the Palo Alto we have a system events where we have all events like a combined all events, system events and all, but in the FortiGate we have a separate tab for events. So we was interested to the VPN event, so I just browse the VPN tab only. So let's do the some command level verification also. So I just log into that. I'm going to log in this FortiGate on the CLI. So just give me a minute. 192.168.0.33. So I will type there. So now I am in the CLI of the FortiGate firewall. So here I will perform some commands related to the VPNs so that I can show you the some VPN steps on the Fortinet. So what are the output we will get and what are the commands we will use. So I will paste whatever commands I am using here. I will paste that all commands on the description of the video, so you can explore on the Fortinet firewalls. So let's try with the diagnose commands. So diagnose VPN IKE status. So now if I enter this, what we get, this is the IKE and state is the stabilize, and this one is the ipsec state is the stabilize. Now explore the other commands. Diagnose, VPN, ipsec SA status. So we will get the some output also related to ipsec. Yeah, this is the encryptions integrity checks. So we will get this kind of output if we enter diagnose VPN ipsec status. Now diagnose VPN IKE gateway list. So after entering this command, we will get the list of the ipsec gateway list which we have created on the ipsec field. So we have created this on the VPN section. So whatever gateway we have, we will get if we enter this command. So what we have received now, so this is the name of the VPN, tunnel with PA. Interface is the port 2, and now we will get the public IP address in the real scenarios, and for the lab this will as the WAN IP address. So where we are going from 222.1 500, it's ISACAM ports towards the 4 times 1 500, it's also ISACAM port. So it's a created last creation status. IKESA created and stabilized, IPsec SA created and stabilized, and now we will get the SPI. So we discussed this value in the very detailed in our theory session. So now we have received the SPI values, and this is the proposals, and now this is the key. So we discussed that they will perform the key generation, life type, and DPD, so date pair detections. So this information we get if we type that diagnose VPN IKE gateway list. So let's perform some other verifications commands. Diagnose VPN IKE config. So this will get the configurations of the VPNs. So in this state we will also see the same informations. Here we will see the main mode. So we are using main mode in the phase 1, and we have received now in this command, we have received this is the tunnel with PA. This is the name of the VPN gateway. Source, this is our the LAN segments, and this is the Palo Alto site LAN segments. DH group reply route name. So this information we get diagnose VPN IK config. Now another command will be the diagnose VPN tunnel list. So this is the another command of the Palo FortiGate. It also a detailed view of the IPsec. Say here we receive the tunnel with PA serial 1 and 2 to this is the connection direction. MTU, this is the MTU set, and now other information is also there. This is the source, this is the destination. They perform the SA, that SA information is there, and this is the live encapsulations and decapsulations method, and for that authentications. So a lot of deep information is available on this diagnose VPN tunnel list. So after performing these steps, we can see that the verifications on the Fortinet side of this IPsec VPN. So the purpose of this showing this, so we can validate from the FortiGate side. So as we already validated from the Palo Alto, so we will get the verifications on the Fortinet. Those who are interested on the Fortinet, so they will also get to know that we can check from Fortinet side as well. So the purpose of that. So this was the end of for this video. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe the Firewall Experts, and it will give me a motivation to create a such kind of technology video. Thanks for watching Firewall Experts.